Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe.
Alright, so tonight we are sharing something with you that is actually Aubrey's recipe. Aubrey came up with this all on her own. She's been doing this for a couple of years now. She will make these for the entire house. Now she won't be in today's video, but can you let them know what we're gonna be making today?
What are we making again? Pizza Bagel Bar. You know what it's called?
Pizza Bagel Bar.
Pizza Bagel Bar.
Yes, so we are going to teach you how to make a pizza bagel bar.
Not alcohol time.
Yeah, not the alcohol. This is
Food.
family, kid friendly, okay? I don't know why I did that dance move, but let's go. Meanwhile, while we're filming our intro, Piper's over here at our Pizza Bagel Bar chowing down. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need
is a air fryer. We're using this Sakuchi one that we got one sent to us.
Sakuchi. That sounded so funny. But you are gonna need an air fryer, and Sakuchi was actually nice enough to send us over this air fryer, and they sent it to us in the color red, which is even better because, hello, Rooster's
Recipe.
So while we make our bagel pizza rolls, we're also going to be reviewing this Sakuchi air fryer for you guys, and I'll link it below. But yes, it was sent to us. I want to be clear about that, of course. All right, so can you tell them what we are going to need for our pizza bagel bar?
Well, of course, you're gonna need bagels of your assortment. We're using plain ones.
Your assortment, you're gonna need bagels, guys. And in the meat department, we are going to be using
some chicken, hamburger meat.
So in the South, yes, we call it hamburger meat, but it is ground beef, in case you were wondering. And also in the meat department, we have some pepperonis.
And some bacon bits.
And these are real bacon bits. This is not imitation bacon or anything like that. All right, what else?
Mozzarella cheese, shredded cheese, sharp shredded cheese, banana peppers, and of course, the favorite, jalapeno peppers.
Of course.
And then you have your...
This is secret sauce, but you can also use Thousand Island. I just love this because it tastes just like Big Mac sauce. And I plan on making a cheeseburger bagel.
And then barbecue sauce, Alfredo sauce, marinara sauce, and ranch.
All right, so on the side we have some yellow mustard, some garlic powder, and some Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce as well. So, let me ask you, what kind of bagel are you feeling first?
Hot bagel.
Figured. And we are using all of these pre-sliced bagels. So each one makes 2 pizza bagels. So what kind of bagel are you making?
I'm making a hot one.
So I'm assuming you're gonna be using...
Banana peppers.
Banana
peppers.
Both?
Of course.
Okay, what else?
And then probably some, oh, hold on, no, I'm gonna get some of that. Yeah, it's gonna be hot.
Buffalo sauce.
And then I'm not too sure what, I don't know if I'm gonna use hamburger meat or chicken.
I think that you should probably put some ranch with the...
No.
He's not a ranch person, and y'all know I'm a ranch person. So that's why opposites attract. But we're gonna watch him squall because all he's putting on his bagel is buffalo sauce as the base.
Yes. Oh, hold up, I got something else.
Of course he does.
Jalapeno.
Yo, I can't with this. What is your deal? Take another bite. Can you handle it? I told y'all. Okay, so we have so much to choose from that I'm not really sure what kind of bagel I want. I was thinking first like a chicken Alfredo bagel or a barbecue chicken bagel, but you could also do a regular pepperoni and cheese with marinara sauce and mozzarella cheese. We'll see what happens. And Alex is looking through all of our drawers. They're a hot mess express. You know, just don't mind it. He's gonna make both of our bagels for us, and he's gonna use this Pioneer Woman cup since we ran out of
Clear cup.
Clear colanders. What are they called?
I call them cup.
Bowls.
And this sure you get the bread good.
That looks hot.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
This smells hot too.
You just smell a jalapeno.
No, I smell that bubbly sauce. Oh my gosh. It's gonna get soggy.
Oh, that's good.
He's off to rinse the paintbrush. The wonderful paintbrush of all.
Which one?
I'm just kidding, I forgot what that thing's called.
What
What is that thing called? The phalange? What is this called? That's a thing.
Dang,
Phalange.
brush.
What is this called though?
A brush.
Baster. A baster.
Oh, I call it a brush. We ain't no technical crap. You want marinara on yours?
Did I say I want a marinara? Over here about to put some marinara on there. Okay, so I really don't know. I'm trying to think. Like, there's so much to choose from. Like, what's a girl to
It'll be
do?
Christmas before you decide.
What is a girl to do?
Yeah, you make your own.
So you're gonna go ahead and make your toppings? So you're gonna put banana peppers on yours. Jalapeños. Ooh, and then you can top it with some cheese. He likes the cheddar. I knew he was gonna go for the cheddar. Yes. For me, I'm gonna do a cheeseburger bagel. So I need some mustard. After I put my mustard base, or how I put my mustard base, I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese on. I'm also gonna add some regular cheddar cheese on because that's more of a cheeseburger type. Add me some pickles on there, please, all the way around. And then last but not least, hamburger meat. You probably want to add your hamburger meat before you add your pickles, but we forgot. But it's okay, it'll all melt together in the air fryer. And then when this is over, I'll do my taste test for you guys, and I'm gonna dip it in this secret sauce, which is basically the same thing as Thousand Island and Big Mac sauce, whatever. But ooh, it's gonna be yummy.
So now we're going to come over here to the air fryer. We're gonna put it on 350 for 5 minutes. And now we're going to open it up.
Make sure you set your air fryer down on something that will protect it, like we have.
You can possibly put up to 4 in there, but we're just gonna do 2 for now. 5 minutes and start it.
And then we will see what they look like when they come out and see what they taste like. And then also we'll be making a couple more, and that'll be whatever the girls want. So stay tuned for that too, because you'll get to see what kind of other ones you can come up with as well. All right, so it's done. Let's see what the end result is for mine and Alex's.
Look at that.
Yours looks actually really good. I was
does.
not expecting it to look that good.
Yours looks good too.
Are you ready to taste test them?
Oh yes, let's put them on the plate here.
Back to our roots. Blame it all on my roots. Jalapenos and boots. All right, so we got you on a different angle. We got you leaning on the Mount Olive pickles.
All right.
I am going to get me some of this sauce to dip mine in.
I'll drop it on the counter.
All right, so this is what mine looks like. This is what Alex looks like. I'm gonna dip mine.
I'm just gonna bite mine.
And take a bite.
That's amazing, man. It's a little hot from coming out of the air fryer.
Coming out of the air fryer, or it's a little hot from being hot. You know what mine tastes like? Okay, so I know a lot of you are from the Carolinas that watch, or you're at least from the South. If you're not, we have a restaurant local to us called Side Street Pizza, and they make an amazing cheeseburger pizza, and this tastes just like it. So good. And I'm dipping it in the secret sauce or Thousand Island.
Mine has buffalo sauce, banana peppers, jalapenos, and cheese. It's not too spicy, but to me it's not too spicy. I think it's perfect. I think it's got a good flavor of heat, and it's got that little sweetness of banana pepper. So mine is perfect. And I still got my jalapeno.
Mukbang. So while we're sitting here and y'all have been wanting us to do a Q&A, we can answer some questions for them.
Oh man, I need to cover this.
He said he didn't sign up for this.
Sign up for cooking, I didn't sign up for questions.
I will answer the number one question that you guys are all dying to know. Are we having any more kids?
Negative.
N-O, spells no.
No.
No more kids here. Our youngest is 10. So we would basically be like starting over. And we're just in a good place in our life where we can kind of do what we want, come and go as we please, and we enjoy that. All right, so here is your basic pepperoni and cheese pizza and barbecue bacon chicken ranch pizza. And this one also is going to go into the air fryer for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. All right, so here's the regular pepperoni. It looks like it hopped over there. Yeah. And then there's the chicken bacon barbecue ranch. Okay, so we just made the barbecue, what is it? The barbecue ranch, chicken, whatever. Backwards. It's got some bacon. But anyway.
Oh, there you go, wasting it again.
Anyway, this one is really good. Like, it's better than the cheeseburger one, so I highly, highly recommend. Okay, so for the next bagel, I'm gonna be making a chicken Alfredo bagel. And this next one's gonna be a buffalo chicken bagel. And these are gonna go in the air fryer on 350 for 5 minutes. Aubrey has made her way to the kitchen to make hers. What do you put on yours, Aubrey?
Ranch, garlic powder, and mozzarella cheese.
And that's it. So basically like garlic bread. So if you just want garlic bread, that's also perfect. Ansley, what kind are you going to be making?
Just a normal pizza one.
Just a pizza one? Are you gonna put pepperonis on it or no? So a cheese pizza bagel.
I'll probably put ranch.
Probably put ranch, okay. Ooh, so this is the buffalo chicken, and then this is the chicken Alfredo. Also, another idea, if you like meat on your pizza, you could use this extra hamburger meat, or you could actually even use sausage. We didn't use any sausage, and you could do like a 3 meat and put some pepperoni on there. The options are endless. Anything you can think of, you can make a pizza out of. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the other bagels we made. I know we did not taste test them, but I just wanted to give you some ideas of stuff you could make in your air fryer, pizza bagel wise. But this is an awesome idea for a party. Most of this stuff you already have at home. Anything you'd like to say?
If you like our channel, hit that subscribe button, that little red button right there. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Until next time.
Bye.
Why are you like the drill sergeant?
Roosters!
Are you ready for
Come on. Guess it don't work no more. Oh, wow.
All right, operator error. I want to be able to see the plate, but you know, your head's so tall.
I can't help that.
How about I take a bite of yours, you take a bite of mine?
All right, in a minute.
I wanted a banana pepper side anyway. You gotta dip yours in the sauce.
After you dump mine all over the floor, I mean, come on now. What in the world? You gonna eat mine or waste mine? Come on, man. What the crap is this? I mean, it's bull crap. You wasted half my food.
Bull crap.
You should eat one that came off the floor. Look. Look at this. Look, half of it's gone. Half of it went in the floor.
Wrapped your heads out the camera too.
I don't care. Can't help it, I'm so tall and you're so short. And let me dump yours in the floor.